In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google open in a new tab on Microsoft Edge. This can be incredibly handy if you want to streamline your browsing experience and access Google quickly whenever you open a new tab. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge on your computer. This is the browser we're focusing on today, and it's essential to have it open to follow along with these instructions. Once you have Edge up and running, look towards the top right corner of your browser. You should see a three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on that. It opens up a drop-down menu where you'll find several options. Now from this drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you into the settings area where you can customize your browsing experience. Now go ahead and navigate to the section labeled Extensions. Once you're in the Extensions menu, find and click on Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. This is where you can find and add new extensions that will help enhance your browser's functionality. In the search bar of the extension store, type in Custom New Tab by Multejure. This is the specific extension that allows you to set a custom new tab page, which in this case we'll set to Google. When you find it, click on Get and then Confirm by selecting Add Extension. This will start the process of downloading and integrating the extension into your Edge browser. After the extension is added, we'll need to toggle it on. Go back to the settings area and once again head over to Extensions. Here you should see Custom New Tab listed among any other extensions you might have. Ensure that it's switched on by toggling it to the on position. This will activate the extension, making it ready for the next steps. Next, click on the Details option under the Custom New Tab extension. In the Details section, look for Extension Options. Select this and it will bring up a new window where you can configure the extension settings. Once inside the extension options, you'll see a URL text box. This is where the magic happens. Enter google.com into this text box, as this tells the extension that you want Google's homepage to open every time you launch a new tab. Don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are applied, and that's it, you're all set. Now, whenever you open a new tab in Microsoft Edge, it should display google.com, providing you with instant access to Google's search engine and all of its features. This is a simple yet effective way to customize your browsing experience, making it more convenient and catered to your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.